If you're attending a online course where you want to watch the presenter and you want to practice at the same time, then having dual monitors is really handy. So here I've got two monitors set up. You'll see that the one on the left is an extended monitor. That means I can move from the right over to the left monitor. To set this up, you just plug your monitor in through the HDMI lead, or if you've got a USB or whatever type of connections you've got, and then you can either duplicate your screen or extend your screen. And the way to do it is by holding your Windows key down and pressing P, and you get this menu pop up, and you can move it from duplicate and extend. You've got a couple of other choices there. You can have second screen only or PC screen only, but the main two that you want is either duplicate or extend. In this case we want extend, so we'll leave that on extend. Then that means over here we can have one spreadsheet that you're working on, the working file. So if I come over here and open up Excel, I'll open up over there and I can just drag it over to this screen, and you see we've now got the shared screen over on the right. That's the one that I'd be presenting on, and you could see, and you've got your working spreadsheet over on the left hand side that you can actually work on. Now if you need to set up your monitors and the position of your monitors, because they might not be exactly next to each other, or you might have your monitor on the right, the left or above, what you need to do is just minimize everything. So you've got your desktop, right click on your desktop and click display settings, and then you'll see all the monitors that you've got. You can see I've actually got 4 set up here. We're looking at monitor 1 and 2 on this video, but if my monitor 2 was over on the right hand side, you can just go and grab it and move it over to the right hand side. And if you do move it, if I just move mine up a little bit, you can then click apply. So I'm just going to move it back into position because mine are neatly right next to each other. You can see my monitor 3 is slightly below my monitor 1 on the right, and my monitor 4 is above monitor 1. So you can just shuffle these around to suit, but when you've done it, click apply, and that applies that, and it moves you neatly from one to another then with your mouse going across. So let's just bring our working file back up. So there's the presentation screen. So hopefully that has helped you get set up and get ready to attend an online course.